In this lesson, I'm gonna continue on 9th grade slope of the line. So let's say you have this is a 9th grade. So I'm gonna continue slope of the line through the x1, y1 and x2, y2. So line joined for these points. These are the 2 points, 4, comma, minus 8 and minus 4, comma, 8. So anytime you have 2 points and you were asking the line passing through the x1, y1 and x2, y2, is good to do like x1, y1, x2, y2. So you will know which number belongs to x1 and which number belongs to y1 and y2 and x2. So just keep doing like order. So the first points will be x1, y1. The second points will be x2, y2. So the slope is m. So normally slope is m, right? So slope m equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So you have to replace x2 here, right, for 8. This is your x2, right? So y2, sorry, this is your y2, right? So y2 is 8, negative there, carry your negative. So there's another negative coming, so you have to put in parentheses, so because there will be a multiplication here. So it's y1 is negative 8, right? And then the bottom is x2 is minus 4. So you have here a minus 4 minus x1. So your x1 is 4. So this is equal to 8 minus times minus is positive, and the 8 all over minus 4, and minus 4 is minus 8. So equal to 16 over minus 8. 16 divided 8 is 2. Negative here is you have to carry the negative, right? So now this is your slope. It's your slope for the final answer for this 2 points, right? Now you have to grab it. So this is your coordinate, right? So y axis here, x axis, right? Minus 4, minus 3, all the way to minus 1, 1 to 4, right? Minus 8, 2 all the way to the 8, right? So the first point was given was x1, y1, 4 is here, and minus 8 is y1. The point is here, right? So what do we have here? We have, and here, if you're trying to find this point for the slope, will be slope is equal to y over x. And what do we have here? We have negative 8 over 4, which is negative 2, right? And then here, what do we have? We have a x2 is minus 4. This is your x2. And y2, we have 8. This is your 8. So the points here. And then m equal to 8 over negative 4, right? Which is equal to negative 2. a point itself, its loop is equal to -2, right? But combine the line, join points. If you combine, join, as you can see, nothing changed. It is also -2. Point itself, -2, right? Each point itself, -2. When they join, we add it, divide it, based on this formula. We follow through the formula, and still what we got is loop equal to -2. So this is basically a 9th grade previous lesson. Also I explained this loop, and this is just to continue on 9th grade, and this is one more, how to find the loop, whether it's finding in one point. If it is one point, it's just giving the point, so your loop is y over x. So if it's 2 point, you follow through this method. Okay, this is the equation for the formula that you follow through. All right, this is all about the slope.